Stop the frustration! If your Sharkord mobile client connection failed keep happening on Android, you're in the right place for an instant fix. This guide will eliminate those persistent connection errors right now. First up, method 1, we need to verify your app permissions and network access. Sometimes Sharkord simply isn't allowed to use your data, causing a block. Head into your Android settings, find Sharkord under apps and ensure all network-related permissions are granted. Doubly check your Wi-Fi or mobile data is active, then restart Sharkord. If that first step doesn't clear the error, the issue usually stems from corrupt temporary files, which brings us to method 2, clearing your Sharkord cache and data. Go to App Info for Sharkord, clear the cache first to remove junk files, then clear data, which resets the app. You'll need to log back in, but this often resolves deep-seated glitches. Still having trouble? Method 3 tackles your device's network settings. We'll reset all network configurations, Wi-Fi, mobile data, Bluetooth without erasing personal data. This cleans up any bad network configurations that might be blocking Sharkord. Finally, method 4, ensuring everything is up to date. Outdated apps or an old Android OS can cause compatibility problems. Check the Play Store for any Sharkord updates and then look for system updates in your Android settings. Keeping your software current is crucial for stable connections. Follow these steps and get your Sharkord working perfectly again.